I'm and my brother trying to get in the race car. Say hi.
Mom, now I can get in.
Okay.
No, I'm not scared. But
He was working on this for 105 minutes. Like an hour.
Oh, don't worry. We'll fix that later.
it's gonna be repainted.
Okay, yeah. Throw in the car.
All right, get in, Camden.
I don't have all day.
There you go.
Dude, the penis? Oh, I see the penis.
Focus.
Hold on, I need to like down here.
You gotta lay down? Where you lay down?
No, I need to get down here before I actually get
Alright,
up.
you should stretch. Stretch first. Yep. There we go. Stretch first before you gotta go. You don't wanna pull a muscle. Alright, yeah. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Legs up. Yep. There you go. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Do a couple jumping jacks too while you're at it. There you
We're
go.
already
Now you're
1 minute in.
Okay, now you're ready. You're ready. You feel loose?
I want to go on the roof, guys,
Nice
in the
and loose.
middle.
Alright, you're loose. Alright, you can do this. One leg in, one leg out. You got it.
My legs are too long.
Your legs are huge. Get in there. Dan gets in there, you can do it. He's like 6 foot.
Yeah, he's a big guy.
Yeah. You got
Here's
this,
the
buddy.
car looks like. I know the windshield is
You
broken.
got it. Get in there.
Trying to get in right now.
Get in there. Get in there, Daddy.
I'm so.
Yeah, I got it. Oh, yeah.
When I get my leg, can someone pull me out when I get my leg out? Can you pull me out when I get my right one's leg out?
All right, just put this leg in there. Then go backwards.
Or why don't you just go head in first?
Yeah, that's what I'm
That
thinking.
might be easier. Just dive head in first and go. There we go, just like that. You slide in.
I know
Like a
it's
slide.
Ready in a minute. Then.
it's just so freaky.
It's very cool.
I don't want Liam to film it. That's why.
Oh, got it. All right, turn the film off. Oh, good night. You turn the film off.
All right, go.
We'll look at some stuff.
Well, I need to
Look at
go
the
like
internet.
in this way and then crawl under the bar.
Okay.
Alright.
Well, you gotta get the race car.
I'm just looking at my
There
photos.
you go.
Just looking at my nice
Is that a
photos.
spider there?
It's just not.
Nah.
I'm not scared.
Are you not scared? I ain't scared. I'm not scared. You scared? I'm not scared. Put that leg right there. Yep. Throw it in there. Yep. That's how you do it. Okay, and you grab yourself, throw the other leg in there. Stand in the seat. That's right. He's going. He's going. You stuck?
My brother finally got in the truck for 3 minutes.